What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time ever viewing my channel, please consider subscribing. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something very different from what I've been posting recently. I'm not going to be doing a full restoration. I'm just going to be doing a full midsole repaint on these Jordan 4 Breds. The thing about these Jordan 4 Breds, the midsole is very scuffed up, so what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to strip the paint and I repaint the black and the white part. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing that I'm going to be doing with this shoe is I'm going to be cleaning it top to bottom before I can even strip the paint. So let's get into that. What I'm going to be using today to clean the shoe is Angelus Easy Cleaner. You can buy this product on Angelus' website. I'm going to be leaving a link down in the description below. So let's get into the cleaning process. Okay guys, this is how the sneaker came out after I completely cleaned it. I mainly focused on cleaning the midsole because that is what we're focusing on in this video. So now what I'm going to be doing off camera is taping up the uppers so we can start stripping the paint. So I'll see you guys after that. Okay guys, this is how the sneaker came out after I taped it up. What I did was I taped up the uppers and the bottoms so any running paint, white or black, doesn't get on the suede or the bottoms. Now what I'm going to be doing is, I'm going to be using 100% acetone and 150 grit sandpaper.
Right now I should probably learn my lesson. Right now I can't stop myself from stressing. Right now I just bought drugs with my last cent. Right now I feel like I'm at a dead end. I'm just chasing Benjis, really feel like this my last hope. I want bust sounds cold, they remind me of Alaska. I don't want no bitch, I'm scared she'll be just like the last hoe. I'll be better off dog, I don't really need the hassle. You say you could fuck with me, but then you go and disappear. You just come and go, so tell me why these bitches acting weird. I'ma always man up on my life dog, I just keep it real. Why you always stalling, I ain't really got no time to spare, yeah. I was crying on my birthday. People say they love me, but they show it.
Now that the shoe is completely stripped and sanded down, what we can do now is take off this tape and then reapply another layer of tape. So let's get into that.
Don't understand all of the things I'm chasing after. I'm just trying to leave my past and start a different chapter. Everybody mixing up.
Okay guys, the first thing we're going to be doing with the midsole is painting the white portion of it. And what we're going to do after that, once it fully dries, is tape it off. You can do the black part.
I've been lying, I ain't doing well. I've been trying not to lose myself, though. It wasn't helpful. I need some help, though. Right now, I should probably learn my lesson. Right now, I can't stop myself from stressing. Right now, I just bought drugs with my last cent. Right now, I feel like I'm at a dead end. I'm just chasing Benjis, really feel like this my last hope. I want bust sounds cold, they remind me of Alaska. I don't want no bitch, I'm scared she'll be just like the last hoe. I'll be better off dog, I don't really need the hassle, yeah.
You ready? What you gonna do? Yeah, throw the head back hard.
Now that the white part of the midsole is completely repainted, what I'm going to be doing now is taping off the white part and then painting the black. so let's get into that.
See me recent, thumbing through the money with a smile, Mona Lisa. Now we got no problems, money in my waistband, frowning like she's sorry. Gave that bitch a facelift, Louis on my collar. See me and don't say shit, they don't want no problems. Messing with my money, I'ma let them know. Now we got no problems, money in my waistband, frowning like she's sorry. Gave that bitch a facelift, Louis on my collar. See me and don't say shit, they don't want no problems. Had to walk in the rain while you think I'm dripping. Lot of people getting rich and feel like something missing. Got a Fendi bag to flex, I don't put nothing in it. We can't talk about a bag, I know you wouldn't get it. When I bust down all my chains, it's gonna be hard to miss it. Swear this dope will take me back first time I went to Venice. I've been feeling like I'm Kodak.
Now that the black part of the midsole is completely taped off, what I'm going to be using to paint it is flat black from Angelus.
Tell you when your time is. Put ice on a paddock, now it's got its own climate. Had a lot to say, but now they all been turning quiet. Yeah, Wody got a shotty, now right seat of the whip. Think he John Wayne, cause he got it on his hip. Started at the back of the line, we had to skip. Once we get that cash in, you know we gotta flip. Yeah. Walking in the rain wasn't a thing, I wouldn't be here. Took us out my city, can't believe we get to sleep here. Claim me as a friend, but bet you haven't seen me recent. Thumbing through the money with a smile, Mona Lisa. Now we got no problems, money in my waistband, frowning like she's sorry. Gave that bitch a facelift, Louis on my collar. See me and don't say shit, they don't want no problems. Messing with my money, I'ma let them know. Now we got no problems, money in my waistband, frowning like she's sorry. Gave that bitch a facelift, Louis on my collar. See me and don't say shit, they don't want no problems. Messing with my money, I'ma let them know. Know we had to go and get it set in stone. Gotta take a roll.
What you gonna do?
Staring at these diamonds way too long and now I'm dizzy. I know you're meant so damn boring. When I show up now it's litty. Pull up, leave the Billy, run and get a wet like Richard Millie. Now these bitches always hit me saying hope you don't forget me. Dress up fashion for attention, holding out my pants for Fendi. Why you in my DM saying that you miss me, do you really? They keep wasting all their breath, I swear that shit just don't offend me. Told them they can keep on hating, I'ma keep on chasing millies. Never let no shit get to me, I just let them reach. He can keep on throwing subs, but I won't be losing no sleep. Shit ain't no comparing us, we gon' prove shit before they speak. They can see where this shit going, that's why they coming for me. I had to chill like an Eskimo, cause I've been cold like that. Yeah, you running out your mouth, cause you gon' fold like that. You could never get like us, cause you ain't slick like that. Wouldn't do you like you do me, I ain't bitch like that. Yeah, beating it up in Versace, she talking dates and she lost me. Can't have no faith in the thought he ain't.
Thank you all for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. In today's video, I repainted the midsole on these Jordan 4 Breds. As you can see in the beginning, they were really bad, and then in the end, it came out pretty good. By the way, the artist that I featured in my video, his name is 7 C's, and he's up and coming. If you guys like his music, I'll leave his links down in the description below. Go check him out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay healthy. Peace.
Me. Told them they can keep on hating, I'ma keep on chasing millies. Feeling myself, it look good in the mirror when I go practice it. We gon' call some sticks like a band, cause they see us stacking it. Swear I was running laps with flipping